The San Antonio-class represents a significant upgrade in amphibious transport dock technology for the U.S. Navy. These ships replaced several older classes, consolidating capabilities into a single, modern platform. Initially, 12 ships were planned, aiming for a target price of $890 million each. However, the actual cost averaged around $1.6 billion per ship due to various factors. As of December 2022, 11 of these warships were actively serving in the U.S. Navy. 3 additional ships were under construction, expanding the fleet's amphibious capabilities. In 2018, the Navy announced a second, Flight 2, of 13 more planned LPDs. This will bring the total number of San Antonio-class ships to 26, a substantial force. The first Flight 2 ship, LPD-30 Harrisburg, marks a new generation in the class. These ships are designed to work seamlessly with modern platforms like the MV-22 Osprey. They were also intended to support the Expeditionary Fighting Vehicle, though that project was cancelled. The ships accommodate Landing Craft Air Cushion, or CACs, for rapid troop and vehicle deployment. The San Antonio class is considerably larger than its predecessor, the Austin class. They displace over 25,000 tons when fully loaded with equipment and personnel. While carrying fewer troops, they offer double the space for vehicles and aircraft. The well deck at the stern can be flooded to launch and recover landing craft. Notably, the USS Portland served as the recovery ship for the Orion capsule during the Artemis I mission. The design process emphasized input from operators, maintainers, and trainers. This design for ownership approach aimed to improve combat readiness. This also sought to enhance quality of life for the crew and reduce overall ownership costs. The San Antonio class incorporates significant survivability features, enhancing its resilience. It includes rolling airframe missile, RAM, systems for defense against air threats. Radar cross-section reduction techniques minimize the ship's radar signature, making it harder to detect. A fiber optic shipboard wide area network, SWAN, integrates onboard systems for efficient operation.